Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy USDT on OKX app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead, open up your OKX app on your phone, and from over here simply go ahead, tap on this option of buy given, and afterwards it will simply give you two pop-ups which includes P2P trading and buy crypto, the methods. So go ahead, choose the option of a buy crypto. Now you simply have to choose USDT, which you simply want to buy. Search USDT over here if you don't see it in the list, otherwise type right away, you can see here in the first option. And now go ahead, enter the amount worth you want to buy. Once you're done entering, tap on this option of select payment method, and from a given list of the payment methods, go ahead, choose the one that is acceptable for you, and then tap on this option of next in the bottom. Then if you have linked and verified your phone number, this step won't be required, but if you haven't, this option will pop up. Enter your phone number, enter your verification code that will be sent via text message, copy and paste, enter your email or tap on send code, which will come to your email inbox. Go ahead, go there, copy the code and tap on paste on it, tap on OK, and then this option will pop up where you can see price and total payment channel you can find. Tap on buy USDT in the bottom. Then you will be able to chat with the seller right away. Tap on I have paid for him to let him know, and that is way you will be able to complete a transaction and buy USDT from the seller itself on your app. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.